Hey guys!
Hi
Welcome back
guys.
to our vlog. So we have another travel video guys because we are going to Hanoi, Vietnam. We'll take you through the process guys dito sa airport and sa immigration later. So first time kasi ng sister ko guys. Ito yung sister ko si Lynn.
First time niya guys.
First time niya. And we'll take you through the process. Ano yung mga prepare na mga documents for the IO.
Tsaka yung mga tinanong na question sa kanya.
Yes. So for now guys, we are here at our domestic airport. We are from Bacolod going to Manila. So kanina guys, nakapag-bayad na kami ng tax. It's 1,620 each. And nakapag-check-in na din kami kasi yung bag namin ay diretso na pa Vietnam.
Yes, kasi connecting flight yung kinuha namin guys.
Yes.
So ganyan ka hassle-free if connecting flight yung kinuha nyo.
Yeah. So, pupunta pa kami ng Manila guys and later, mga around 11 PM, yung flight naman namin pa Hanoi. See you later! So, we're finally here at NAIA Terminal 2 here in Manila. And lilipat tayo guys ng NAIA Terminal 1 kasi nandoon yung mga international flights ng PAL. So, sasakay lang tayo guys ng shuttle bus which is libre naman. So, pupunta tayo dun sa my transfer desk. Hey guys, andito na kami sa Terminal 2 and we passed the immigration. So, success story guys. Success. So, sa aming dalawa na MM guys, since we are frequent travelers na, yung sa akin yung tinanong lang is kailan yung balik and ano yung work. Sa MM naman,
same yung first question niya, if ano yung gagawin ko doon. So sabi ko lang na vacation, kailan yung balik, tapos
kung dumadaan ba sa
kung saan ako connected, tapos kung dumadaan ba ako palagi sa e-gates kasi binuklat niya yung passport ko, siguro walang
masyadong tatak especially if pagdating na dito sa Philippines.
Yes. So yun lang.
Kay Lynn naman guys, since it's her first time, ano yung mga prepare mo Lynn?
First, COE contract ko ng client ko since virtual assistant ako. Then, yung mga payslip. Tapos, ano pa ba? I think yun lang. Wala akong bank statement. Payslip lang. Then, yung picture ng birth certificate ko. Tapos, yeah, yun lang ata.
Yung mga tinanong sa'yo kanina,
yung mga
ng IO.
Tinanong ng IO first if magbabakasyon ba ako. Tapos, after nun, sino daw yung kasama ko. Then, ano daw yung work ko. Pagkatapos, tinanong yung, hinanapan ako ng return ticket. Then, pinatawag ako yung sister ko.
Tiningnan yung passport kung same apelido ba. So, kinabahan siya guys.
Super as in since first time ko. Pero, success naman.
Success story. Pwede nang mag-story. So guys, for Vietnam, wala pong visa na need if you're a Filipino. Yung need lang is yung ticket. Tapos, pwede na 3 days prior ng travel, 72 hours, gawa tayo ng e-travel. Kasi pag hindi tayo gumawa noon, hanapan tayo ng IO. So, mas mabuti na gumawa na lang tayo 72 hours before your travel. And then, destination namin guys is Hanoi. So, it's the Noi Bai International Airport. Then, first time naming tatlo, guys. So, before
It's our second time in Vietnam.
Yes.
Yung una kasi is sa Ho Chi Minh kami.
Yes, it was part of our Tri-City trip. So, ngayon naman, yung destination is Hanoi and Sapa.
Yes, which is nasa northern part of Vietnam siya.
Yes, and we are very excited, guys.
In Hanoi, Halong Bay, tsaka yung Sapa.
Yes. So, tune in, guys, sa mga susunod namin na mga vlog para may travel guide din kayo kung pupunta kayo ng Hanoi and Sapa. So, for our SIM, guys, bumili kami ng eSIM through Klook. And then, for the money, GoTime lang yung gamit namin. Hindi kami nagdala ng US, Philippine peso na papa-exchange doon or USD to hindi na kasi hassle-free naman kung yung debit card na lang.
Nag-work naman doon.
Yes.
Sa GCash, GoTime, or mga debit cards, nag-work naman siya.
So, yung flight, guys, will take around 3 hours and 30 minutes. So, yung flight namin dito is 10:55. Yung dating natin sa Vietnam is 1:30. So, yung Vietnam, guys, is same siya ng Thailand na 1 hour behind sa Philippines. Hi guys, it's 2:30 in the morning. We just
Vietnam time.
landed in Hanoi. 1 hour yung delay ng flight namin, guys. Pero okay lang.
Okay lang, basta andito na kami.
Yeah, so to my sister, her first international travel. Pagoda na, guys. So, papunta.
Kasi later, mag-start na yung day 1 namin.
So, punta muna kami ng
Day 1
guys.
agad.
Immigration and kuha ng baggage namin. Agribank. Doon lang yung exit, guys. Tapos, dito lang. Lakad lang kayo. To the left side. Dito yung Agribank.
Ito guys, so nagwi-withdraw na si Gigi sa Agribank. So we're using our GoTime, guys, kasi pwede siya dito. Yes.
5,000. Guys, we're finally here at our Airbnb. It's already 4 a.m. Vietnam time. So, nag-grab kami kanina, guys, and we paid around 377,000 dong or nasa mga 820 pesos. So, medyo mahal siya, guys, kasi medyo malayo pala yung Noi Bai International Airport from here. So, yung address namin dito is malapit lang siya sa Old Quarter. So, yung Airbnb namin, guys, is from Vic Homestay. So, I'm gonna do a room tour tomorrow na lang, guys, kasi medyo pagod na talaga kami and need na mag-sleep ng mga tita nyo. So bye guys, from me, MM and Linlin. Until our next vlog. Bye.